Hello, fellow cheap suckers out there. Dragon Rider gonna show you how to put in some auxiliary brake lights, running lights, and turn signals for about 50 bucks. You will need some wire, LED light bar. I found those on Amazon for about 8 bucks each. Power supply or battery, and the rear harness adapter. Found this one from Custom Dynamics for 30 bucks. This adapter allows you to tap into your rear lighting harness and be able to tap into your brakes, running, and turn signals. It uses the PosiTap connectors for solderless connection. You need to tie together your ground, running lights, and brake lights from both sides, and the PosiTaps are only set up for one wire, so Custom Dynamics, you can improve on that. I'll show you how to get around it. Soldering skills are needed. You simply strip the wire, unscrew the PosiTap cap, put the wire in, and screw it back down, and it's a pretty tight connection. The flexible LED light bar has super thin wire, and you're not going to be able to use a solderless connector to hook it to your wire. It's just not long enough to go directly to the PosiTaps, so you're going to have to put an extender on there and solder it. Alright, the basic operation of the light bar will be running lights. Stop fumbling the wires, Dragon. Brake lights. There's turn indicator. Now you can put one bar horizontal and have a left and right turn indicator with a single bar. Got brake lights and turn indicator there. I'm going to use 2 bars for maximum light and hopefully it won't get rear-ended. And there we got the right turn signal.
Be sure to subscribe to Dragon Rider Productions.
Brakes with the turn signal. That's about it. I'm going to solder the extender wires side by side to the light bar and bend the extender wires over since it's a thicker wire and more durable.
I highly recommend Dragon Rider Productions.
I would have preferred to use color-coded wire, but all I had was black and red, so I'll just mark them differently with colored heat shrink, which I do have. I twisted the wires together and soldered them. Next step, I would put some heat shrink tubing over the wires, shrink down the tubing, put another piece of heat shrink around the bundle for strength, bend the extender wires back, and then I will cover the entire bundle there with another piece of heat shrink. And it turns out like this.
Dragon Rider Productions has awesome
As far as
videos.
placement of the lights, I'm thinking of I'm thinking about going for a ride. Oh yeah, much better. Well, as far as placement, think about how all the CVOs have it and right down on the fender fill. Now these light bars aren't the prettiest of lights, but they're functional. And Mr. Cheapo here, as you might be if you're watching this, that's probably the best place to put them. Before installing the lights, best to check the harness again, make sure everything's working well. Harley conveniently has these 2 holes to put the wires through. You can run it up through the top, but I suggest taking off your bags and side cover and running them underneath.
Be sure to subscribe to Dragon Rider Productions.
Now for hooking it up, take off your seat strap, take off your seat, take off your saddlebags, side covers, and you're ready to do this. Feed the wire through the hole, and you can run it along the left side, right along with the Harley wire harness, right up to the battery compartment and inside. The right side has plenty of places to zip tie the wire and feed it into the battery compartment. Locate the wiring harness connector, which is this puppy. What's that? Oh, it's this one here. All you do is unplug that and put the adapter in line on that. But first, we are going to connect up the wires to the adapter. To get around the 1 wire per PosiTap, I am going to wrap the 1 wire around the base of the other wire and solder the connection right at the base. leaving the rest stranded so it works in the Positap. Matching up the wires to the instructions that come with the custom dynamics adapter. Get the wires in, tighten them all down, make sure the connections are secure. Unplug the existing Harley connector and put the custom dynamics adapter in line with the connector. Now, I just can't get over how frickin' dirty my bike is, but like I said, I've been riding a lot lately, and I did get almost done with the Born Free 11 video. Yeah, it's only a few months late, but hey, doing my best here. Now, if you want to subscribe, give everything a like, I'd appreciate that. Now, stuff everything back in the best you can, and before putting everything back together, time to test the lights on the bike. You can see the lights are plenty bright. Ain't no one missing those at night. And during the day, don't worry, the brake lights are red, the camera is just making them look more yellow. Overall, I'm happy with the extra light thrown out the back and the combination red and yellow for the turn indication. This will save you quite a few bucks on your extra lighting and hopefully make you a little more seen and a lot more safe. This is my workhorse bike and just going for cheap as possible. I'm going to do the same on my chopper, and since she's the pretty girl, I'll be using better looking lights and trying for the same effect. Always appreciate a like, share, and a subscribe. If you have anything to add or any questions, lay it down in the comments section. Keep your shiny side up and hope to see you out on the road. Later. Bye.